Oh my god. Oh. This is a bad sneeze. And I'm trying to hold the phone with my left hand. My left hand is very painful. So I'm holding it now with my right hand. Oh dear. Back inside again, and the sneezing started again. But I have an air cleaner, so I have no idea why I'm sneezing. Maybe because I'm tired. I don't know why, because I slept for nearly 9 hours yesterday before work. I did come home. I did go to work feeling totally refreshed. The first day back at work. But when I came home and after dinner, I felt really bloated the whole night. Feeling really tired as well. It was like I had no vacation at all. And yeah, so I was feeling really bloated, and I thought maybe I had to go. No, not do anything. Just let a bit of wind out. I didn't do that either, and I didn't burp. So the whole night I felt bloated. I couldn't sit down comfortably. I couldn't lie down comfortably. My hand was hurting. And this is my second video tonight because I still have to go to the doctor's tomorrow at 4 o'clock. And yeah, I think it's finished. And anyway, I'm going to go carry on watching my TLC channel. Love you all, bye.